Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. If you are new to my channel, then take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon in order to get all updates related to my channel. So let's begin with today's video of zero waste and non-toxic homemade moisturizer. Moisturizer is one of the most essential elements of any effective skincare routine. Stores are filled with different types of moisturizers. Most of them are infused with harmful chemicals. Instead of relying on such products, we can make something extremely hydrating at home. According to a 2020 study by one of the leading beauty destinations, Cult Beauty, the Google searches for DIY face masks went up by 233% last year. As the interest in making skincare at home reaches an all-time high, so I thought of doing this. Here is a complete guide to making your own homemade moisturizer for all skin types, that is normal, sensitive, dry and oily skin type. Moisturizer for normal skin type. Ingredients: a half a cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon liquid vitamin E oil, 12 drops of Lavender Essential oil. For starters, melt the coconut oil using a double boiler. Incorporate the other ingredients and mix until they are evenly combined. Store it in a glass jar and use it as your daily face cream. Moisturizer for sensitive skin type. Ingredients: 1 cup aloe vera gel, 12 tablespoons of beeswax, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup almond oil, 10 drops of any essential oil. Directions: begin by melting beeswax, coconut and almond oil using a double boiler method. Incorporate the other ingredients and mix until you get a creamy texture. Now store it in the mixture in a glass jar in a cool place. Aloe vera soothes your skin and reduces inflammation. Beeswax is known for its soothing properties, while essential oil will protect from skin infections. Moisturizer for dry skin type. Ingredients: 1/4 cup butter, half cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup of oats, 2 teaspoon vitamin E oil, a few drops of lavender essential oil. Directions: in a blender, grind the oats until you get a powdery consistency. After that, add the melted oil, lavender essential oil and shea butter in it and mix well. And lastly, incorporate the vitamin E oil. Bear in mind that you have to apply this moisturizer every night before going to bed. For centuries, oats have been used as a remedy to soothe itchy skin, whereas shea butter is known for its skin glowing ability. Coconut oil is highly recommended for its amazing nourishing features, and at the same time it has antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties as well. Moisturizer for oily skin type. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon honey, 2 teaspoon glycerin, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon green tea extract. Method: in a glass bowl, mix all the ingredients till they blend. Massage it gently on the face and let it sit overnight for the moisture to seep in. Glycerin and honey can keep skin hydrated for long hours, while lemon and green tea extract give an instant glow and help in fighting skin infections. These are super simple moisturizers and can be stored for a long time if kept under refrigeration. So it's quite proven that you don't need expensive and fancy products for your skincare. Just take a look around you and you can find numerous natural ingredients. For more informative beauty stories, stay tuned to my channel Glow Naturally.